In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play FigJam music. If you use FigJam for brainstorming, retrospectives, or workshops, a little background music can set the tone and help your team focus. I'll walk you through the exact actions you need and share a few quick tips so everything sounds great while you collaborate. Start in your FigJam board and look toward the top right corner of the interface. There, you'll find the music icon on the toolbar. It's easy to overlook if you're concentrating on sticky notes and diagrams, so take a moment to spot it before moving on. Clicking this icon opens a compact music control that lives right inside your board, so you won't have to leave your workspace or juggle another app. Once the music panel appears, you'll see the current track title displayed. That title is more than just information. It's your entry point to choosing the vibe you want. Click the current title to open the music picker. This keeps everything simple and in one place, so you can make your selection quickly and get back to your session. In the picker, you can choose from 3 curated options: lo-fi hip-hop, synthwave, and acoustic ambient. Lo-fi hip-hop offers mellow beats and a steady rhythm that's great for quiet concentration and writing notes. Synthwave has a more energetic, retro-electronic feel that can boost momentum during fast-paced ideation. Acoustic ambient leans gentle and atmospheric, ideal for calm planning or reflective discussions. Think about the kind of energy your session needs and pick the genre that supports it. You can always adjust later if the mood shifts. With your genre selected, click the play button to start the music. The triangular play control begins playback immediately, and the audio runs in the background while you continue moving shapes, typing, and facilitating discussion. Keep your device volume at a comfortable level so the music supports conversation rather than competing with it. If you change your mind mid-session, click the track title again to switch genres in a couple of seconds. And when it's time for silence, click the play button again to stop. That's the entire flow. Open the music icon in the top right, click the current title to reveal your choices, pick between lo-fi hip-hop, synthwave, or acoustic ambient, and then hit play. Use this whenever you want to set a clear, consistent mood without leaving your board. Try each genre during different parts of a workshop to find what helps your team do their best work.